so we can be free. All up in the sky, all up in the sky, running through my head, running through my head, running through my head. All up in the sky, all up in.
Hey guys, welcome back to the 2point Boys channel, guys. We are at Melbourne Airport, as you can see over there. It's a really nice day, clear sky, perfect. Oh, we're gonna see a plane landing over here this way. Get ready, guys. I do not know what plane it is, but we'll see what's gonna happen. I love coming to plane spotting, especially with my mate as well. So yeah, guys, this is the first video. Make sure you enjoy this freaking landing. It's gonna be good. Video for you. That was Virgin Airlines 737-800 for you guys. I'll see you again on another video of 2 Point Boys. See you later.